Welcome to Video Tutorial 2.1, Idea Submission Part 1. This video tutorial explains the first two steps of how you can submit a new idea to the Lifecycle Innovation Management System. You start by clicking the Submit button or use the hyperlink in the overview page of the LIMS. More information about the functionalities of the overview page can be gained from Video Tutorial 1, Overview page. After clicking the Submit button, you are directed to a new screen. In this screen, you notice a top row with two buttons, Print Preview and Notification Rules. The Print Preview button generates a preview of your created item. Since there is no item created yet, this button is not interesting at this moment. The Notification Rules button can be used to adjust your personal email notification settings. You can adjust your settings for all documents, your personal documents, specific documents, and the idea you're working on right now. Going back to the submission screen, you notice the content menu on the left. For this demo, all stages are shown, but this can be different for different types of users. This tutorial focuses on the submission stage. For more information about the other stages, you refer to the video tutorials numbers 3 to 7. In the top of the submission screen, there's an image explaining the dynamic workflow. As you can see, submission is at the very beginning of this flow. In this tutorial, an idea is submitted. To get more information on submitting other items like challenges, you should consult video tutorials 9 to 12. In the first part of the idea submission, title, department, and innovation lifecycle phase have to be determined. You can enter a very short description of the idea, choose a department from the list, and choose the innovation lifecycle phase from the following list. Depending on these choices, further options are adjusted. As you notice, when idea is selected from the innovation lifecycle phase, a new choice option is added. Here you can define the type of idea. On the right side of this first part of idea submission, you can find a set of tools which helps you within this part of the dynamic workflow process. When you click on, in this case, the brainstorming tool, you are redirected to the application which can be used for brainstorming. When scrolling down, you come to the second part of idea submission where you can enter a detailed description of your idea, the specific problem, the owner, and the urgency of that problem. Again, there are some drop-down menus that can help you to make choices about these particular descriptions. The windows where you can enter text are in rich text format, so you can adjust your text in several ways and you can add images from your local disk. On the right side of the second part of idea submission, you can find a place to add personal documents or hyperlinks. This tutorial was an introduction to the basics of idea submission in LIMS. For the more detailed options of idea submission, mostly needed for the Idea Manager, you're referred to Video Tutorial 2.2, Idea Submission Part 2. Thank you for watching this tutorial.